Alright, let's go find Mom. Are you guys excited? Caitlin, are you excited?
Yeah! It's time you saw her. What's her name?
I think she's in here. Walk slowly.
She's drinking some milk.
What do you think about having a new baby sister?
She's excited.
I think there's a siren going off in the background.
You hear that siren? What is that siren? It's so cute, isn't it? She's eating her milk.
She's drinking milk right now.
But you can lean over and give her a kiss on her forehead, on her head.
Can you get there?
There you go. Mommy's turn. Good girl. You know what she did?